All right, this is part 8 of my video documentation of creating this drawing of the sightseeing, dignity, human rights, pro-life, tolerance, education art series, which will be artwork number 50, memorial to murdered Japanese 16-year-old exchange high school student Yoshi Hattori, murdered by a homeowner in Louisiana in 1982. So we've got writing in there, and I drew 3 allegorical sea monsters in pencil. Dated writing. This one's going to say gun rights, genocide. This one's going to say gun terrorism. And this one, gun rights, anti-faith, anti-child, pro-death. Allegorical gun rights, sea monsters. All right, to be continued.